How to add a card on any iPhone. Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to add a debit or credit card to your iPhone. Let's dive right in. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. You'll see a little plus button in the top right corner. Tap on it. Next, select Debit or Credit Card and hit Continue. Now, you can either scan your card using your iPhone's camera or enter the card details manually. Once you've added the details, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your card with your bank. If you prefer, you can also add a card through the Settings app. Open Settings, scroll down, and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. From there, tap Add Card and choose either debit or credit card. You'll follow the same steps as before. Scan your card or enter the details manually, then verify it with your bank. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.